Hello, guys, and welcome to another weekly analysis on Bank Nifty and Nifty. So, here we are to check the Bank Nifty and Nifty performance in the last 1 week and for the coming week as well. So, this is Bank Nifty's chart, and here we are in a weekly chart of Bank Nifty. As you can see, we were clearly in an uptrend before till July of this year, and from there we have seen some downfall, and then we have seen a double top forming right at September, and from there we have seen a breakout. But this breakout didn't give us any confirmation candle after that. So this is a breakout, but still we haven't seen any confirmation. So we are in a counter move of a major downtrend where we have seen this is the last week's Bank Nifty candle. So where we have seen rejection, half of the candle is rejection, and then we have seen a bearish candle for the entire week. So it's going to be crucial for the next week, because if we see any close beneath this, that forms a lower swing high compared to the last, that was the last swing. And if you see any confirmation close below this for the next week, then we can pretty much expect the Bank Nifty going further down for the upcoming days. So this support level which is coming from here is going to be very crucial. Or if you see any close beyond this on a weekly candle with a proper confirmation or with a proper candlestick, even in that case we can assume that only in that case we can assume that the trend is changed towards the upside direction. And it may reach because 46,000 is the all-time high level, 46,000 levels. So to reach that level, we need to see a solid confirmation at this support on a weekly chart. But right now, looking at this is looking like it's gonna go down, but we have to wait for the next candle's closure, that is next week's candle below this. And also, if you can pull up our see, this is our Fibonacci retracement level of this particular move. So even in this move we have reached half of this zero point 0.5 level. This line is the zero point 0.5 level. We have seen a rejection from there, and we have seen a close under this. So we have 50-50 chances for the Bank Nifty in the next coming week to come down. Again, it depends on multiple factors, where if we see a solid close for the next week under this, then we can expect Bank Nifty to go down. Because even this big move, okay, has seen a correction uh, of only till not only not just half. I think it's exactly, yeah, half. So even this levels might get tested in the coming future. But for that to happen, in order to see such big movement, that is a way too far. But we can't say, because this is our March April 2023 levels. Okay, so since we are overly stretched and formed a double top pattern there, there is some kind of downside momentum that is pending in the Bank Nifty. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in the next 1 week. But before that, let's also jump back to our daily chart. Okay, so now this is a daily chart of Bank Nifty. Here the case is looking little different. This is the same support that we have drawn from the weekly chart. But see here, what has happened is, for the multiple times, for the this particular day is a Diwali trading day, that is Muhurat trading. But apart from that, we have seen one, two, three, including this, we have seen four openings above this area. But none of these candles are in none of these candles are bullish candles. None of these candles are green in color. This is a daily time frame of Bank Nifty, right? So all these candles are despite of opening, see, this is a gap up opening on a Muhra trading, but I've seen a red closure towards the bearish side. And that is a trading of just 1 hour or so. But even this day, it is a red candle. And see, such a in spite of such a big gap opening there, it has seen a bearish close. And even this November 16th candle is also bearish. And even today we have seen a gap down opening and also close beneath today's opening. So also in on a daily chart, we have a certain um, level here which is acting as a resistance. So that is going to be crucial as well on a daily chart. Of course, it is looking bearish continuously, but we need to see a couple of after breaking this level we need to see a confirmation candle or at least a pullback to this. If not, if you want to take towards the upper side, then you have to wait to see a breakout there with a proper confirmation or a pullback from this 43,850 levels. Also, if you notice, we have another important formation. So all these days candles have given us a chance to draw a trend line, and today is the first day that we have seen a bank nifty getting closed below this trend line. But we need to see confirmation, and also we need to see some pullback action towards this line. So without that, we can't take any call right there in the bank nifty as well. So that's up with the bank nifty on a weekly and daily chart. To now let's jump to our nifty chart and see how nifty has performed in the last 1 week and see. Yeah, so now this is nifty's weekly chart. Here the case is completely different. There in our bank nifty, we have seen a bearish candle on a weekly time frame, but here you see the last week period was completely green. That means last week has done extremely well on nifty. But here if you see, uh, there is a small rejection which has formed on October. Okay, that is from the last month. We have seen a sharp rejection from that level, and we have seen market coming down. And before that, we have seen. See, if you think that is a support, yes, it is a support on a weekly chart. So that support was broken once at on October last week, but I didn't see any proper confirmation after this breakout. And it has seen now a breakout above this and also seen a confirmation. But where we are standing in nifty right now is also a rejection area from the left. So here it's going to be a crucial, we if we see any breakout again from this level with a confirmation, then we have chances to see these levels. But in order that to happen, there is a lot of the confirmation that is required, because you see this swing low is already broken. Now if you consider, let's draw. Okay, so earlier this was a big momentum, and now this was a pullback, and now we have seen a close beyond this swing high, but then that didn't carry well. And again we have here a rejection level. Okay, so here we have seen again a rejection and form a lower high from your previous high on a weekly chart, and then seen breakout towards the bottom. But this moment has completely engulfed your previous move. So if you see any rejection here around on this area, and then if you see nifty coming down from there, then we can expect nifty at a rapid speed. Then we can expect nifty to come at a very rapid speed towards the downside levels. But here we have seen and a green candle for the last week. But the key point is here, the green candle is coming exactly at a position where we have resistance. So here we have resistance. If you see a certain candle, again a rejection candle from there, then nifty is also gonna see some levels towards the bottom side, that is towards at least 19,200 levels. But unlike bank nifty is looking okay. But the only problem is we are right at that resistance area. So let's go to our weekly sorry let's go to our daily time frame. So yeah, even on the daily time frame here, we have seen a breakout of this a small tentative trend line that we have done in the bank nifty. But here this moment is still looking intact, in spite of the fact that this is the only level that it is struggling. So if you see any breakout on a daily chart, at least above this level with a proper confirmation, then we can expect nifty to go to our maximum levels. But in order to do that, we need to see a proper day candles closer above this with a confirmation candle after that, or at least after a close on this, we need to see a pullback and see a strong reaction. So also you can check this trend line. If this is giving a proper support on a daily time frame, then you can see a momentum towards the upside. See this anyways, this level is going to be very crucial. 19,800 levels is going to be very crucial. Or if you want to take a bearish call, then we have to see a breakout from here, from this resistance area or this trend line with a proper confirmation, then you can expect Nifty to come towards the downside. So in either cases, I request you to trade in very smaller quantities, and please do your own analysis with Nifty and Bank Nifty before taking any trades, and do proper back testing before you take any positions, and always trade in smaller quantities until you become consistently profitable for 3 months at least. And I hope you have learned something from today's analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for the last week, and also you have some fair idea for the next coming week as well. And I wish you a good luck for the next coming trading week, and see you in our next video. With hopefully this weekend I request you to do some back testing in the weekend and make use of this weekend and before you trade for the next week. And we are also planning to come up with some technical analysis video in our candlestick pattern series, and also some we are planning to come up with a new series on our technical analysis. Please do subscribe for more such valuable content on Indian stock markets. And we are dedicated to learn technical analysis in a much meaningful way. So please do consider subscribing, and thank you so much, and see you in our next video.